Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of Divameplz, a beginner nail tech showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. Long time no see. I am so happy to be back with you guys. As you always know, the Christmas and New Year and my birthday always have me fumbling around with uploads and getting everything up on time. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. Today I will be unboxing Your Nail Lab by Makartt December box. So as mentioned in some of my other videos that my charge date is not until the 25th of the month now for some reason. So I don't get the boxes until the end of the month. So most likely won't upload the unboxing until the beginning of the following month. But for whatever reason, they were super behind for the Christmas box, at least for me. So I just got this in the mail probably about a week and a half ago. I know, right? But to not delay it any further, let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. And I have some news to tell you guys, so you gotta make sure you watch it until the end. So go ahead, come closer, let's take a look inside. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and open Your Nail Lab monthly nail box by Makartt. And again, this is the December box. So there are no cards in here like they normally are, and this would, indeed tell me who this box is with, what products we're getting. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have these awesome color Inspire Yourself nail extension gel. Okay, so we have this awesome color Inspire Yourself nail extension. Looks like a pretty translucent color. I can't tell. It looks like this one was supposed to be like a peach color. This one is like a light pink. Maybe this is like a jelly color. But it's really pretty. And then this one seems to be, or will be, like a little bit darker than the first color. I can't really tell. I would have to do swatches to really see. But they seem really pretty. And then we got like some things to encapsulate. So it looks like some flowers, some stars, some hearts. not exactly sure what this is or what they're supposed to be. Otherwise, it's a really cute butterfly ring that can't really fit on too many of your fingers, the pinky, and it may get stuck. I can't imagine what else you could use these for. If you guys know what this is and what you do with them, please leave a comment down below. I would love to know. Got some snowflake stickers. Let's see them. Some snowflakes in blue, gold, and I'm assuming these glow in the dark. All different styles. Really pretty. Would have came in handy for my Christmas designs. Got some jewels that you could put on top of the nail. I don't know how they got this in this little bag. Maybe because of my nails. Sure struggling getting it out though. Okay. These are super cute. And gold accent. Got some cute bows and hearts to also put on top of the nail. They're so cute. They're like pearls. And then we have some magnetic hearts that you can put on the nail. These would be great for Valentine's Day. And I do already have one like this, and they may not be like blue hue like this one is, but still really pretty. And then these are the last things in the box. So this is white, and I'm sure we all know what white looks like. So again, this is the white. There we go. So that clear background was not it. Alright guys. So this is the white. And it is like a super white at that. And then the last color is Makartt. This looks like a light pink. Yo no quiero porque mi hija pudo pasar cierto. Me me dejaba salir. Really pretty. And then last but not least, we have two gel colors. So we have a nude pink, which I feel like I may already have, and then a lilac gray. So here is the lilac gray. It's really pretty gray. I don't see the hint of purple in it, but there is nude pink. A really, really light, almost barely there pink. So this is everything that I received in the December Your Nail Lab by Makartt monthly subscription box. Again, this is the Luxe box for $35. I totally feel like this is completely worth it. You get so many great items, and you can really use all of these in pretty much your day-to-day nail tech duties, especially if you work with everything. So my camera died. Sorry about that, guys. So again, like I was saying, if you guys use polygel, then this is a great subscription box for you guys. You'll get pretty much everything that you can use in your day-to-day activities as a nail tech. I really like getting the polishes and the stickers and things you can encapsulate and put on top. So those are my favorite. I no longer work with polygel at the moment. It was really only a couple of people that I had enjoying that type of service, but I am wanting to add structured gel manicures as well as Gel X, or the alternative. Every brand is pretty much coming up with their own now, and I want to add those to my services. So okay, so as promised, I have great news to tell you guys. Rae-Divameplz YouTube channel has reached 1,000 subscribers. Congratulations, guys. Well, congratulations to me, but really to you guys, because without you guys, I would not be here at all. I wouldn't be able to make it to 1,000 subscribers at all without you guys' help. So when you guys like and comment on my videos and share this with your other beginner nail tech friends, it continues to motivate me to share more information with you guys. So we're in this together, and like I said, we have to grow and we have to learn, and what better way than to do it with each other. So with us reaching 1,000 subscribers, I do want to give back to you guys. So I haven't thought about what type of giveaway I want to do yet. I'm gonna do a poll, and I'm gonna ask you guys to see what you guys would want to compete and hopefully win the chance to receive the items of whatever I will be giving away. Also, stay tuned. It is about time for me to give you guys an update on how everything has been going. I want to try to give you guys an update every 3 months to keep you guys, on the up and up. So that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below of what items you like the best, or what else you would like to see on my channel. Make sure you share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so we can all continue to grow and learn together. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Divameplz, and consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to be uploading at least twice a week, one in the beginning and one towards the end of the week. And until next time, peace, guys.